Good morning, students. Political science or civics second year. Today I am going to discuss about state legislative assembly. In your examination point of view, question asks like that: write a note on the state legislative assembly. State legislature have two houses. First one, legislative assembly. Second one, legislative council. Legislative assembly is also known as lower house. Legislative council is also known as upper house. Today I am going to discuss about first house, like state legislative assembly. State legislative assembly is the popular democratic house. Legislative assembly members elected by the people directly. Legislative assembly members elected by the people directly. Next, composition. There will be a legislative assembly for every state. Nowadays, in every state have legislative assembly. The legislative assembly represents the people of the state. Legislative assembly membership is various between 60 to 500. It means legislative assembly members is based upon the population of the state. For example, now in Telangana, legislative assembly members, it means MLA. MLA means member of legislative assembly. Now in Telangana, MLAs total 119 members. Some states have more MLAs, some states have less MLAs. This MLAs membership is based upon the population of the state. Every state MLAs not less than 40, not more than 500. The members are elected by the voters of various constituencies in the state. It means MLAs elected by the people in different constituencies in the state. Next, the membership of the house is proportionate. This is important, students. The membership of the house is proportionate to the population of the state. State how much population? Population based upon we conduct MLAs membership. Some of the seats are reserved for scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. According to Indian Constitution, we provide some reservations for SC, it means scheduled caste, ST, it means scheduled tribes, BC, backward classes, women's, they have some reservations. Next, those who are become legislative assembly member, he possess some qualifications. The qualifications are: first one, he must be a citizen of India. First qualification, he must be a citizen of India. Second one, he must have completed by the age of 25 years. Those who are become legislative assembly member, he completed by the age of 25 years. Third one, he must not hold of office of profit under the union, state and local government. It means those who are become state legislative assembly members, he is not a government employee. Next, those who are become legislative assembly members, parliament is also prescribed some qualifications. So those who are become legislative assembly members, he must possess such other qualifications as prescribed by an act of the parliament. Next, tenure. Legislative assembly, normal tenure of legislative assembly 5 years. Legislative assembly tenure or power is generally for 5 years. It can be dissolved by the governor at any time. Legislative assembly, it can be dissolved by the governor at any time. Next, presiding officers. Next one, presiding officers. The presiding officer of assembly is known as speaker. He is elected by the members of the assembly. Simply beta, legislative assembly members elected by legislative assembly speaker. It means simply we are known as assembly speaker. Present assembly speaker of Telangana, Pocharam Srinivas Reddy. Simply once again, legislative assembly members elected by the speaker and also elected by deputy speaker. Speaker and deputy speaker, they conduct meetings of the legislative assembly. Legislative assembly speaker is not available. It means he is absent at the time. Deputy speaker conducts the business of the house of the legislative assembly.